Hello, my wonderful students. This is Mrs. Darmody, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can take a worksheet, a math worksheet or any other type of worksheet that is in a format that cannot be edited and turn it into a format that can be edited. So what that means is when it's a format that you cannot edit the document, usually that means it's in a PDF format. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, and we're going to convert this into a Google slide that you actually can edit by adding in text boxes. So the first thing you have to do is you have to actually open up your digital document that's in the PDF format. So in this case, it's in my Google Drive as a PDF. So I've opened it up for viewing purposes only. I'm not going to download it at this point. And I can't see my whole worksheet here, so I'm going to actually go up here and zoom in a bit because I want to be able to see that whole first page. Because it says score 20, so now I can see the whole page. So now what I'm going to do is I have to take a picture of it. So you can use what's called your snipping and sketch tool. If you don't have this down in your toolbar taskbar right now in your PC Windows operating system. On a Chromebook, it's a little bit different, taking the screenshot. But in this case, you can go over here and you can go to snipping and sketch. It's actually right here. So snip and sketch. I click on that. I click on new and I get my crosshairs. So I want to click and drag my crosshairs down to take a full picture of the worksheet. I don't need to take that apart. So I'm going to click on that. And now I'm going to save it. And you want to make sure you save it to the desktop. And you're going to call it math. You can call it whatever you want, but let's stick with math worksheet. And we'll click that. And yes, I want to replace it. Okay, so now it's an image file. So now I don't need this anymore. Now I'm going to go to my Google presentation. So this is my Google slide. I want to go to a blank Google slide. I don't need all these boxes. So I'm going to go to a blank layout. And now I want to go to background, and I'm going to use that image as my background. So I'm going to browse and go to my math worksheet. And done. Now it's kind of stretched out, so we probably want to change the layout, the page setup, I should say. We don't want it to be widescreen. We want it to be like a regular worksheet, which is 8.5 by 11. So we want to say 8.5 times 11. That's the size of a normal worksheet. And there we go. Now, of course, that's a little hard to see. Oops. So you can see a little better here. So now you need to put in some text boxes. So we want to go to text boxes, and we want to draw a text box here. And we probably want to make that a little more noticeable. So I think what we want to do is we want to put a border weight on that so it's easier to see. And then you can click on that. You can right click on it, copy, Control V to paste, and then just drag it over and continue creating them like that. And then what's beautiful about this, and of course I can create another text box up here for your name. I can put another text box for the date. You can then fill this in and turn it into your teacher as part of a Google Classroom assignment. So it's actually fairly easy to do that. And it's something that we're hoping everyone will learn how to do, teachers, students, and everyone else. I'm sure that will work out quite fine.